Hello, traders. It's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy, and welcome in our weekly indices forecast. So let's see what we have on DAX. This is a weekly chart, and what we see that the DAX is pushing still down. So we have now downtrend, definitely. Of course, it was previously visible, but we said in the past that we would like to see breakout of the support zone, and what we see price right now broke this. So if this happens, we can have continuation really to this level. If I zoom out a little bit, we will see that this level was strong zone. Price broke this. Another strong zone is this one. In the middle, we have also this area where we are currently, okay? Where price is struggling right now on the lower time frame. So we have definitely downtrend. This is our trend line. So of course, all the retracements are still okay to sell, and right now we see that the momentum is to sell because we have support area here around this zone. We see that price struggle right now. So what we can expect? This is our sorry weekly trend line. So if I draw this, this will be our weekly line. About the daily trend line, we have one line here, but it's far away. So we can just use this trend line as a guide. Yes, like this, and we'll have like a daily trend line. So what we can expect, this is by the way tricky line yet because we still have only two touches. So you can draw it like this, you can draw it like this. So we need at least some other retracement to have confirmation of this line. If you have problems with the line, you can always use 36 EMA. Yes, so you don't have to use the line, but you say, okay, my 36 EMA is like active resistance zone. So going back to this now, or we will see retracements to the 36 EMA and then again retest and continuation to this level or to this level, or this is just the stop around the zone and price will continue to go down. Like I said, definitely we are in the downtrend. So we see 4-hour time frame is struggling right now. 4-hour trend line is here. All retracement, I prefer to wait for breakouts here or here to take long scenarios or short scenarios. But if you take long scenario, keep in mind that you trade against very strong downtrend on the weekly and on the daily. But it's still possible to trade in the retracement, target 36 EMA together with this resistance area. Okay, so this is if you decide to take long scenarios here, this is your goal. If price breaks, then we have goals from the weekly chart. If not, you close your long positions, you focus on the short scenarios, target again this, like we said. Okay, so this is quite obvious. So I don't like this area here because it's too tricky right now. If you go to 1-hour chart, you see that we are in the range, that we don't have clean direction right now. So ideally, it's better to get some confirmations that all price is breaking those previous bottoms, or is trying to go up by breaking this trend line. Okay, but if you still are interested to trade this, keep in mind that your main direction is short. So it's better still to take short scenarios. So if we have this trend line, but again, this area is support zone. Okay, I just draw the lowest point, but still, this is also support area. So we have less chances, yes, that price will retest this. Yes, so that's why it's a little bit too difficult. But if you can always say, okay, this is my lowest point, this is my trend line. So what I would like to do is to wait for breakout. Yes, you see that price stops here, but if we get momentum, if you get lower low, lower high, this will be your option to sell this. Okay, but keep in mind this whole area here, like I said, this whole it's already support area. Okay, so this is DAX. Ideally, best way is to get this or this to have clean direction where price might go. NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we see that 1, 2, 3 happened here. We have weekly trend line. This is also pushing down, but reached this previous bottom right now. So this might be interesting. Or we stay in this. Right now, momentum seems to be strong, but we can stay here and price will fight between those two levels and then maybe break out here or break out again here. or after this short 1 to 3 momentum and then breakout, and where is our next support zone? Let's go and check. This is our next area of the support. Okay, so we see there is still a lot of room to go for NASDAQ. Yes, definitely. So it still has, previously it went up very, very strong. Now is the time, really. It seems that all indices in this year are just making all those corrections. Yeah, this is monthly chart. You see it. So on the monthly chart, we still have long 1 to 3. Yes, but the momentum is very strong right now for sales. Okay, so we have this. We go to daily chart, and again, we are on the previous bottom. We are on the supports area. This is our trend line. So again, we wait for retracement to the 36. We try to sell, target this, or we wait for breakout and we still sell with the trend. And if price breaks this trend line with the 36, we look for buy scenarios and we target weekly 36 with the trend line. So we go to lower time frames, and lower time frames will be similar to tags. The thing is that the only line which we have is here, so we don't have any other line. We can connect the highest point. Yes, so this is also trend line, but it's exactly the same line which is here. So it's like with the 36 EMA. So ideally, also here, wait for breakout of this level and wait for breakout of this level. Here we look for short scenarios. Here we look for long scenarios. Keep in mind that long scenarios are against main direction. So your goal is limited 36 with the trend line. Yes, but it's possible. Uh, and basically, that's all right now, because we are, like I said, previous bottom support. So of course, if price continue to go down, then it's obvious. After retracement, we still sell. Okay, but keep in mind that price already moved a little bit. So shares are late. Yeah. So anyway, it's easy. Now it's more easier to sell than buy. US 30 weekly chart, we see that broke this previous support zone, which is previous bottom. Yeah, this is also support area, so it's breaking right now. So where is the next area of the support? This is the strong one, very strong. So this might be long-term target for us. But right now we are again around the zone of the support of those previous stops, around this ranges. So yeah, we have this weekly trend line. So this was only false breakout. So same story, yes. Retracement, short scenarios, target this, or continuation, target this. Whenever price breaks this, we can again have uptrend. Right now, momentum is to sell. Okay, it's to sell. Daily chart, like I said, we are around the support zone. Price stopped. So, or we have retracement where to the 36 EMA together with the resistance. Okay, area of the resistance. If I zoom out, this might be the resistance. It looks 1, 2, 3, 4 false breakout. This is our trend line. Easier to draw. So retracement to this, and then reaction sell, target this. After breakout of this level, look for buys, target this. We go to 4-hour chart, and also here we don't have yet clear information where we might to go. So breakout of this, we look for buy scenarios against main direction. Breakout of this, we look for short scenarios with the main direction. Okay. Scalpers and intraday traders can also look for retracement to the 36 to this and still try to sell, also on NASDAQ. Okay. So if you get this, you can still try to sell, because sell is, like I said, with the main direction. Nikkei, a little bit funny right now. We see that it's we don't have clean direction right now. Yes, if you go to the DAX, NASDAQ, US 30, you see prices clearly making lower lows, lower highs. Here, false breakout to go up. Now it's again going down. So definitely we are in the range right now. Yes, yeah, we can say the lowest point is down here. But even if this range, it's okay to trade because we have momentum right now, and also this trend line was broken. So this range is still not confirmed in terms of the support, because We have some area here, which is support from the lower time frame. So if price, reacts from this point and start to go like this, then we will see range. But right now, it's still the momentum is strong, so we can easily go to this level. If this happens and price stops here, and then we have reaction, then maybe we'll have this range. So, like I said, we don't have it's not confirmed yet, at least for me. Daily chart, price is pushing down, and like I said, yes, it reached right now area of the support of the daily. Yeah, you see, this is strong area, but trend line was broken. So basically, on the Nikkei, we would like to see, this is our trend line. So retracements back to the 36 EMA, to this trend line, and we are still focused to sell. Okay, so we still sell. Because, like I said, we don't have confirmation of range yet for me. So that's why I'm still interested to sell after retracements. We go to 4-hour chart. Right now we have this stop. Lowest point is down here. So ideally, we would like to see, basically, I think it will be the same breakout. Yes. We can delete this so it will not confuse us. Short scenarios, long scenarios, okay? Long scenarios against main direction target, of course, 36 trend line. You can also try to target this resistance area in the retracement. And here, breakout and possible continuation, but keep in mind that you still have those spikes here, okay? So try to be careful or lower your risk, yeah, because it still might, make this and then this. Okay, for bigger retracement, just to retest the spikes, we can check on the 4-hour chart what happened here. You see, this was exactly, price stopped, spike, and then went up. Okay, so also here we had this spike and went up. Okay, so keep in mind about this. Okay, so this is what we have. And all the index now on the weekly chart, it looks clear. We have this short 1 to 3 price stopped on the previous bottom. So what can happen? Or we stay here and at some point breakouts here or breakouts here. Yeah, basically on the weekly chart, that's all. Or we still wait for the retracement here and we try to sell target this or breakout now and continuation. If price continues to go down, we have next area of the support down here. Okay, so we go to daily chart. Where is the weekly, daily? Let me adjust the line. Let me maybe draw a different line here on the daily. You have more details. So this is like a weekly line. So it will be exactly the same as this is our resistance, but I don't draw resistance because it's close to the 36 EMA. So that's why I don't need this. Anyway, if we wait for the retracement, of course, to this level or to this level, still sell. Price breaks this, you still sell. We go to lower time frames. Right now, we have a little bit range. Price is not moving anywhere. Wait for breakouts. Look for buy scenarios. Target from the daily 36 resistance trend line. Or breakout of this. Here, you don't want to trade on the lower time frames. Here, there is no point. Yeah, you see, it's going up, down, now. So this clear range. You don't want to draw trend line like this, thinking that price. Yeah, no, because price is not moving here. It's range, so it's better really in this. Wait for breakouts and then long or short scenarios. Remember that short is still with the main direction. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this, you can share this, comment this. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. And soon I will also upload Forex forecast. So thanks again. Wish you all a great week. Bye.